Never feel, never fall. Ever since kapag ka maganda yung tunog, hindi ganun comfy. May kapalit. Malaki, mabigat, bulky. Tapos kapag comfy naman, hindi ganun ganda yung tunog. Paano na yun? Well, introducing the Huawei FreeClip 2. Panalo sa tunog, panalo sa comfort. An open-ear C-Bridge TWS earbud built for that never feel, never fall comfort. Ito na ba ang next mong earbuds? Buwangga to. Pero check natin to. As unboxed. But you're watching Unboxed Diaries. Ooh. So ito yung box, bongga. Ano yung itsura niya? Para siyang jewelry. It looks very shiny. Parang bagay na bagay sa tenga nyo. Ito yung specs sa likod. Airy C-Bridge. Adaptive open ear listening. Crystal clear calls. May water and dust resistance po siya. IP57. Uy, grabe, 9 hours of playback. At meron siyang dual device connection. Okay, here we go. Oh, grabe ang lit naman ito. Small and light. Underneath for getting. Wow, sobrang compact din. At parang C din. Medyo C-Bridge din yung documents. May warranty card at quick start guide. At yun yung laman ng box. So ito po yung itsura niya. Grabe no? Unboxing pa lang, panalo na. The moment you open it, really does feel like a pair of jewelry. Parang earrings na pwede mong ilagay sa tenga mo. And this is how it looks like sa tenga nyo. Wow, it kind of feels like nothing. Mas maliit, less yung kanyang overall size compared sa previous version. Kaya pala halos wala na akong maramdaman sa kanya. Ayan po yung itsura niya. Ito naman sa kabila. Grabe no? Shining, shimmering, splendid. Na yung weight niya is 5.1 grams each. Kapag nalagay mo sa tenga mo, halos wala ka namang ramdaman. You can be wild and free with this. Hindi ka sa iba guys na kapag kasinot mo, mayroong possibility na mahulog sa inyong tenga. And even if you do wild things, ayan no? Ayaw niya mahulog sa tenga ko. Kumakapit siya. Perfect yung C-Bridge design that locks in place on your ears para hindi mahulog. Grabe, ang pogi niya is a fashion statement. Looks like jewelry. Also, may mga accessory na pwede mong i-pair dito sa FreeClip 2. Ito pa yung tsura niya. Truly a fashion statement piece. Also, meron siyang charging case. Very compact and square. Kasyang-kasya sa bulsa, walang problema. Tapos, pagbukas mo sa kanya, naka C-Bridge cross placement para mas efficient yung space. Kaya ako, parang nagkasya to sa charging case. Ayun pala yung itsura niya. Very smart. By the way, meron siyang tatlong colorways. Meron siyang white, may black, at meron denim blue. By the way, yung denim-like matte finish nung denim blue colorway is just a perfect fashion piece. Soft, refined, stain-resistant, easy to clean, so okay siya pang araw-araw. Hindi ka na mag-worry na madumihan yung buds mo. So this is the Airy C-Bridge design. Kasi nga letter C. C yung shape. Pero Beans, hindi ba siya letter U? Pag ganyan? Hindi guys, letter C. Kasi pag suotin mo siya, letter C pa siya pag ganyan. Okay? Pag sa ilong naman, letter U. This is the Airy C-Bridge design. Acoustic ball, comfort bean, and flexible C-Bridge engineered to feel airlight and stay secure. Each earbud is 5.1 grams. For your reference guys, mas magaan pa to sa ₱1. Wow! Isa na to sa mga pinaka-magaan na TWS earbuds. Truly, never feel, never fall. By the way, the earbud volume is reduced by 11%, so you barely feel it. Materials are skin-friendly liquid silicone plus a shape memory alloy. And the C-Bridge is 25% softer for long wear. Durability-wise, it's tested for 25,000 plus bends. And fit was optimized using 10,000 plus ear samples with a 12.3% compatibility increase. Also, may bonus pa. May auto-detection po siya kung ano yung nasa left and right para hindi ka na ma-hassle pa. Pwede mo siya pagpalit. Malalaman niya kung left to. Ito, magiging right na siya. Very smart. Now, open ear usually means compromise. Usually kasi kapag ka open ear, kapag maingay, hindi malinaw yung tunog or yung sound. Lalo na kapag sobrang busy na lugar, madaming ganap. Pero but na lang, mas upgraded na po itong FreeClip 2. The Huawei FreeClip 2 is powered by an NPU AI processor, 10 times faster computing power, and a dual diaphragm driver that it claims 100% more volume and 100% more bass. Twice the bass. Then you have adaptive listening na may adaptive volume and adaptive voice enhancement para consistent yung experience without you constantly fiddling. Actually, suit mo pa lang, it looks like an accessory. Parang earrings lang. Jewelry on your ears. The Airy C-Bridge and denim textured finish are giving statement pieces vibes. And the stylish colors make it feel like part of your fit, not just earbuds. Now, kung active yung lifestyle mo, like ka nagja-jogging sa labas, naku guys, dito mo mararamdaman yung feel. Dito mo mararamdaman yung ultralight, never feel, never fall comfort of the buds. Hindi mo na siya iisipin. And for the durability, the buds are IP57 water and dust resistant na, and the case is also IP54 water and dust resistant. Now, the IP57 means up to 30 minutes in 1 meter of static water. Plus, sweat resistant na rin po siya. At pwede mo siyang linisin using water cleansing or rinsing. So, hindi mo na siya kailangan problemahin na baka mabasa siya sa inyong pawis. Guys, wala nang ganun dito. May extra protection. Naku, sakto kung nagtrabaho ka, business person ka, or professional ka, sakto to para sa'yo. For calls and productivity, it has crystal clear calls with a 3-mic system. Meron siyang 2 mic, at meron pa siyang VPU, at meron pa siyang NPU-powered NN algorithm. Huh? Ano yun? Well, it reduces the background noise while keeping your voice natural. And since open ear siya, you stay aware. rinig mo pa rin yung surroundings. Kahit bigla ka tawagin ng workmate mo or ng boss mo, wag lang sana weekend, maririnig mo pa rin sila at aware ka pa rin sa paligid mo. Battery-wise, it's up to 9 hours on a full charge, up to 38 hours with the case, and Supercharge gives it up to 3 hours playback from a 10-minute charge. Grabe, bilis. Also, pwede mo rin siya i-charge using a wireless charger, perfect for a busy workday. Actually, no, kaya niyang isupport yung 5 working days mo sa office in just 1 full charge. Sheesh. Controls are packed. Just swipe the comfort bean to switch songs and adjust the volume. Tap is supported on the acoustic ball, C bridge, and comfort bean tap twice to answer or end a call. Tapos, tap 3 times to skip to the next track. Tapos pwede mo pa iset yung tap actions for play and pause or voice assistant. Kaya lang wala po siyang pinch. Hindi siya support dito. Plus, meron pa siyang head motion controls. Nod or shake to reject a call. Sobrang useful kapag busy ang hands mo. Like, nagluluto ka, nagbabay ka. Tapos guys, meron pala dito ang case button. Pwede mo siya i-long press for 2 seconds for pairing mode or as long as 10 seconds to restore factory settings. Nako, panalo to sa connectivity. It supports cross-OS dual device connection. So if you're watching on your tablet, then your phone gets a call. Audio switches automatically and is designed for broad compatibility across iOS and Android. For app controls, Huawei users can use Huawei AI Life and Android or iOS users can use Huawei Audio Connect to add and manage audio devices. The Huawei FreeClip 2 is a perfect companion not only for Huawei users but also for Apple and Samsung smartphone users. Grabe, ang ganda. Well guys, coming soon na po to. Abangan nyo na lang po yung official release nito. Lalabas na po yung full details nun. Also, wait nyo na lang po yung links down below pag lumabas na siya. Grabe, ang ganda. So guys, kung nagharap ka ng pair of earbuds na pang-commute, pang-gym, pang-work, at pang-calls na comfy, secure, at open ear para aware ka pa rin sa paligid mo. Para hindi ka dead sa mundo. Plus, mukha pa siyang fashion tech jewelry. Bongga. This is the only Airy C Bridge TWS earbuds with unmatched comfort, secure fit, and supreme audio. Na feeling ko, para to sa mga tao na gustong-gusto yung itsura ng earbuds nila na maganda. Perfect para sa mga OOTD nila. At the same time, hindi din chuchu yung kanyang sound quality. Bongga pa rin. Tapos may protection na rin po siya from sweat. Kung gagamitin siya for gym, panalo. Sobrang panalo niya. Ano sa tingin nyo? Bibili nyo ba siya o hindi? Let me know guys in the comments below. But if you want something else, baka meron akong para sa inyo. And all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, so that you don't miss any of my great content. Ako si Vince, you're watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh, never feel, never fall.